looking in the,
I heard a little bit tapping sound.
I heard tapping, and I also heard, I kind of heard like her getting into laundry and stuff.
Then let's check downstairs. Molly, we should.
No, I mean, I think I heard her getting into laundry baskets. Into hamper baskets.
I think she did down there. No? I think that is the...
What's that say?
Oh, I got a bunny.
Grandson.
Bunny.
So these are from
And
Grandma.
a bunny.
These are from Grandma and Papa. These cards. What do they say? Can you read them? Let's try reading them then. What are you looking for?
What are you looking for, Misty?
Oh.
Looking for the
That's
stuff?
on it then. Looking for the pieces.
There's an Easter bunny.
What?
No.
You can't even see him in this light.
Oh, dear, got something from the Easter bunny. Oh, look at dear. Happy Easter.
Let's check downstairs.
Maybe check your rooms?
Oh man. Did you look? Maybe, where do you keep your dirty clothes upstairs?
In the hamper?
Maybe that's what Mama meant.
I was thinking maybe they were looking at... Are you coming up here, Jeff? Wait.
What?
Hurry. What'd you find?
Transformer! It's a button.
Oh, she did. That's where I thought I heard that.
Toothbrush? Bunny? And some jammies and bubbles and candy and more cherry beans.
Mmm.
No, keep those in. Wow, that's so exciting.
Alright, so we found
really-
Ben's. I wonder where they hid. Where's Lainey's hidden? Because she was a good girl. She went to bed before the Easter Bunny came.
Yeah.
Right, Lainey? So I'm sure you got hidden. And remember, she's tricky.
She likes to hide it in really tricky spots.
Yeah.
Did you look everywhere yet?
Did you look in the kitchen?
Like in the kitchen, all the drawers
We should
everywhere.
look in the stove too.
Just in case.
No. 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 I didn't check a no. Check that too. I don't check that one.
Coming.
Hi.
Did you look in your hamper?
Yeah.
Even down in the clothes.
Oh, I heard her in the kitchen last night.
Mom said she heard her in the kitchen. Oh, this is a movie.
Oh.
It's taking pictures of you now.
Did you look all over the kitchen?
Can somebody please help me? Nobody's helping me.
I'm filming you.
It's not my basket. I swear I heard her in the kitchen wandering around. Walking around. I heard her. Oh, that's for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh.
Thanks,
Oh,
Easter
good.
Bunny.
Good job, Lainey.
Wow.
I can't find anything.
I heard her around here. Maybe, 'cause maybe she was thinking like Digger would find it or something. Let me see. Wow, look at that. I thought I heard her up here. What are those?
Little duckies.
Peeps? Chocolate bunny? Jelly beans? Egg? Oh, yay!
And more jelly beans.
What? Wow, what's this Barbie? Oh, she's a track star. She's a runner. I bet the Easter Bunny knew that you were running lately. Look at that. She probably triple jumps too.
Do you want one of these Barbie?
Yes, thank you. My favorite.